Hey everyone, this is Mohan here from SAKTHI Tech. So today I'll be talking about building PCs. Like a lot of you that's watching this, or maybe not, building PCs has always been my dream. I've watched Linus Tech Tips since I was like 13, and they are one of the channels that got me into it in the first place. Recently I got the opportunity to fund a PC build. I've worked a job over summer as an intern and I had some funds saved up. And I was like, yes! This is the time that I'll finally get to build my PC. Oh well, that didn't really pan out very well, didn't it? What happened was Bitcoin came along and graphics card prices shot through the roof. Everyone wanted to mine Bitcoin. Everyone. Like people in university started talking to me about it. Like they were like, oh bro, you want to join in? Want to mine some Bitcoin together, bro? Oh well, that's a whole topic on its own. But as a consequence, graphics card prices shot through the roof and they became super unaffordable, and that went my PC building dreams. This is like more of a PSA kind of video. If you're looking to build a PC all by yourself right now in July 2021, I'd suggest you not to. I feel like if you bought graphics cards at those marked up prices from scalpers or individual sellers, you're not getting the value and you're just supporting their near illegal acts of hoarding up all the graphics card supplies. Instead, at the moment, if you really need a new PC for work purposes or for college, I really recommend getting them from system integrators as they can offer you reasonable prices for even the latest of graphics cards. Good ones in Malaysia that I can immediately bring up to mind are like Level 51 or even Ideal Tech. My PC right now is from Ideal Tech and it has been working really great so far. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Just saying. There are other boutique manufacturers such as Illigear and so on. Just do your research, give them your budget and see what are the specs that they can come up with, and then make your decision. So essentially, this is not the time to build a PC from scratch, no matter how tempted you are. Please don't do it. Don't buy a motherboard and CPU and just wait for graphics card prices to come down, because I've done that. I've had friends who've done that. And all you'll have is a computer that doesn't work in the meantime. Instead, if you really need a PC right now, do consider getting it from those third-party system integrators. Normally they wouldn't be good value, but given the current state of the graphics card market, they are the best chance for us to get a gaming PC. With that, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do comment down your thoughts below. Did you build a new PC recently? Or did you get some PC from a system integrator? Or did you get a used one on like Carousel or something? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm excited to hear about it. I personally got mine from Carousel, but it was like 6 months old and it's from Ideal Tech. So it still has the warranty and everything. So it was a pretty good deal, I would say. So thank you guys again for watching. Bye bye.